breakup of this 50 crores?
Please,
Where have they spent?
Please address the chair, please.
So I have stated that under the DREAM mission, there is a sanction of 50 crores to be spent in the next 5 years, beginning with 5 crores during the current fiscal year.
Yes,
Mr.
Mr. Speaker,
the next
sir.
supplementary.
I would like specifically to know how much the government has spent from this 50 crores as far as these 10 centers is concerned. Why I'm asking? Because as we are aware, in fact, Meghalaya, we have been suffering a lot from the problem of drugs. In fact, that 3 lakhs drugs users in the state. In fact, in the last meeting, which has been chaired by the Minister in charge of social welfare, I have stated even then that if the government is serious as far as combating drugs is concerned, it has to be more proactive. Why I'm saying this? Because if we take, for example, in the state of Tripura, where they have a multi-layer treatment facilities. In fact, they have come up with a central level rehabilitation center at the cost of rupees 121 crores. And apart from that, they have de-addiction centers in all districts of Tripura under the Subarna Jayanti Tripura Nirma scheme, where the state has sanctioned 20 crores for each facilities. And apart from that, there is also around 5 de-addiction centers which have been sponsored by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So I would like to see from the government of the day, from the government of Meghalaya, that it take concrete, proactive actions as far as combating drugs is concerned. And we should look at Tripura as an example. The way the government is very much active. So I would like to know from the minister specifically what is the amount that have been given to these 10 institutions.
So in the course of my reply, I made it very clear that the DREAM mission envisages a total allocation of 50 crores over the next 5 years, meaning till 27-28. And the fact that we are on a mission mode where there is convergence between the departments of social welfare, health, home police, indicates the seriousness with which we are tackling the problem. So wherever there is a deficit of attention as of date, I have also indicated that the government has already approached the center to ensure that under the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction, all the 12 districts of Meghalaya, which have not been covered by this de-addiction centers, will be covered. As of date, it is only East Khasi Hills, but we already have envisioned, and I have also stated the names of the centers that have been identified for the coverage of these new centers under different districts, and therefore that itself shows the seriousness with which we are tackling the problem, sir.